So in last class, we have learned how to write for the given statements equations, and for the given equation statements, how we have written, we know. So now here complete the last column of the table. So here they have given like equation and they have given the value also, and you can tell whether this statement is yes or no. Let us see here, x plus 3 equals to 0 they have given, and now here they have given the value also x equals to 3. So when here whether this x value you have to substitute in this equation, and you should find whether this will verify or not. So now x plus 3 they have given, so now x value has 3, they have given 3 plus 3 equals to 0. So 3 plus 3 gives us 6, whereas 6 is equals to 0, no. So we have written here no. Next, same way here x plus 3 equals to 0 and x value has given 0. So 0 plus 3 equals to 0. So 0 plus 3 gives us 3 and 3 is equals to 0, no. Next, x plus 3 equals to 0, whereas x value is minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. So minus 3 plus 3 gives us 0. So 0 equals to 0. So whether this statement is true as for us. So this is yes. Next, x minus 7 equals to 1, whereas x value is 7. So 7 minus 7 equals to 1. So 7 minus 7 gives us 0. So 0 equals to 1? No. Next, x minus 7 equals to 1, whereas x value is 8. So 8 minus 7 equals to 1. So 8 minus 7 gives us 1. 1 is equal to 1. So yes. 5x equals to 2, 5. So x equals to what you can do. So here x value they have given 0. So 5 into 0 will give us, you will get us 0. So 0 is equal to 25? No. Next, 5x equals to 25, whereas x value is 5. So 5x means this is nothing but multiplication. So 5 into 5. So you will get as 25. So 25 is equal to 25? Yes. 5x equals to 25, whereas x value is minus 5. 5 into minus 5 equals to 25. So no, 5 into minus 5, you will get minus 25. So whereas minus 25 is not equal to 25. So this is no. Next, m by 3 equals to 2, whereas m value is minus 6. So minus 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So whereas you should get here minus 2. So minus 2 is not equal to 2. So this is also no. Next, m by 3 equals to 0. So whereas m value is 0. So 0 by 3 you will get as 0. So is 0 is equal to 2? No. Next, m by 3 equals to 2, whereas m value is 6. 6 by 3 equals to 2. 2. So here you will get as 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 2 is equal to 2. So yes. So this is the way you will check the statements whether it is yes or no. That means whether it is satisfied or not. Next, so how you have to prove that LHS equals to RHS. So here you see for they have given x minus 3 equals to 10. This is the equation. So how this one you should prove whether it will be verified or not. So what you have to do for this? What should we do here? We should add 3 to the both the sides. By doing, we shall retain the balance, and also LHS will reduce to just x. So that means for x minus 3 equals to 10, the equation they have given, and for this what you should do means you should add 3 on both the sides. That means x minus 3, this is the LHS, and this 10 is RHS. So LHS means left hand side, or RHS means right hand side. So now our LHS equals to x plus 3, sorry, x minus 3 plus 3. So that means we have to add 3 in both the sides. So x minus 3 plus 3. So why we have to add means for this plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled, so that it remains the same. So you have to add. So now you will get only x. Now for the RHS what you will do, 10 plus 3 you will get as 13. So therefore x equals to 13, which is the required solution. So now what you have to do, this x value you have to represent in this equation. By putting x equals to 13 in the original equation, we confirm that the solution is correct. Now x minus 3 equals to 13 minus 3. So you will get as 10. So this is the equation RHS. It is required. So in this way you will find. Next is here some more examples. Similarly, let us look at these equations. 5y equals to 35. So yeah, so that means what you can do, m by 2 is 5. So in this first case, we shall divide both the sides by 5. This will give you just on LHS. So LHS is 5y by 5, which is equals to 5 into y by 5. So here 5y is nothing but 5 into y. So which you will get as like y. So in RHS what you have to do, 35 by 5. So here 35 by 5. So what you should do, so this 35 you will get as like 5 into 7. 5 7 is 35 by 5, which is equals to 7. So y equals to 7. Now you will find here y value is 7. So this is the required solution. So we can substitute y equals to 7 in this equation. 5 into 7 equals to 35. 5 7 is 35. So 35 equals to 35. Now here it is proved LHS equals to RHS. Now let us do the same way, m by 2 equals to 5. So here what you have to do, so our LHS is m by 2. So this you should multiply by 2 on the both the sides. LHS and RHS you have to multiply by 2. So m by 2 into 2. So here 2 will get cancelled, then m it remains. Then RHS what you will get here, only 5 is there, and for this 5 if you multiply 2 you will get 10. So m value is here 10. So 10 by 2. So here when you substitute this m value, m value is 10. 10 by 2 equals to 2 ones are 2 5s are. So you will get 5. So LHS equals to RHS. So in this way we will verify whether LHS is proved to RHS or not. So next, one more example here, you can see the equation which they have given, 4x plus 5 equals to 65. So subtracting 5 from both the sides, 4x plus 5 minus 5 equals to 65 minus 5. And you have to see here the constant. If it is plus means, then you should subtract on both the sides. In case if here minus is there, means you have to add both the sides. That you have to check it. So now what it will become, plus 5 minus 5 will get cancelled. So 4x equals to 65 minus 5 gives us 60. So now we got the equation as 4x equals to 60. So now what you should do? You should find the x value. So divide both the sides by 4. This will separate x. So we have to find the x value. So for that what you have to do is you have to add both the sides 4. 4x by 4 equals to 60 by 4. So 4 will get cancelled, then x remains, and 4 ones are 4 15s are 60. So x value you will get as 15. So now what you should do, this x value you have to substitute in this equation. 4 into 15 equals to 60. So 4 15s are 60. So 60 equals to 60. So LHS equals to RHS. So one more example, 10y minus 20 equals to 50. So for this what you have to, here you have minus 20. So what you should do, on both the sides you have to add plus 20. So add 20 to both the sides, so you get 10y minus 20 plus 20 equals to 50 plus 20. Or else what you can write the equation is minus 20 plus 20 will get cancelled. 10y equals to 50 plus 20 is 70. So you get the equation as 10y equals to 70. So now what you should do? You should divide 10 on both the sides. 10y by 10 equals to 70 by 10. So 10 will get cancelled. Y equals to, and 10 ones are 10 sevens are. So y equals to, you will get the value as 7. So now this y value you can substitute in this equation. 10 into 7 equals to 70. So 10 sevens are 70. You know 70 is equals to 70. So LHS equals to RHS. Now one more example, 12p minus 5 equals to 25. So here minus 5 is there. So what you should do? You should add plus 5 on both the sides. So when you add plus 5 on both the sides, what it will become? 12p minus 5 plus 5 equals to 25 plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 will get cancelled. So whereas 12p equals to 25 plus 5 gives us 30. 12p equals to 30 you will get. So now let us find the p value in this. So dividing both the sides by 12. So what it will come? 12p by 12 equals to 30 by 12. So 12 will get cancelled. So whereas p equals to 12 ones are 12 5s are. Sorry, not 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 30. So whereas p value you will get as 5 by 2. So now what you have to do? This p value you have to substitute in this equation. 12 into 5 by 2 equals to 30. See here. 12 into 5 by 2 equals to, or else in this equation also you can. 12 into 5 by 2 minus 5 equals to 6 into 5 minus 5. So now 2 ones are 2 6s are. So 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 5 equals to 25. So here 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 5 equals to 25. So LHS and RHS both you will get as 25. So this is the way we will prove. Next You can take the one more example. So this is different way. 4 into m plus 3 equals to 18. And one more sum, how you can do this one. 4 into m plus 3 equals to 18. So this what you have to do means, let us divide both the sides by 4. So this will remove the brackets in the LHS we get. So so when you divide 4 by 4 means 4 will get cancelled, so that means that these brackets you can remove. So when you remove the brackets, what you will get, m plus 3 equals to 18 by 4, or else m plus 3 equals to this one you can write as 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, so that means 9 by 2 you will get. So or else m equals to, now you have to find the m value. So m equals to 9 by 2 and plus 3, if it comes this side it will become minus. So while transporting 3 this side, so that means m equals to 9 by 2 minus 3. So whereas m equals to 9, so here you can take as LCM, that means here 9 by 2 minus 3, which equals to 9 by 2 minus 6 by 2. So 9 minus 6, which gives us 3 by 2. So m value you will get as here 3 by 2. So now what you have to do, this m value you can substitute in this equation. So 4 into m plus 3 equals to 18. In this equation, you can substitute this m value. 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. So that means here 4 into, so 3 by 2 plus 4 into 3. So that means 4 you have to multiply with these two terms, 4 into 3 by 2 plus then 4 into 3. So which gives us 2 ones are 2 2s are. So 4 3s are 12 you will get, and here plus 4 into 3. So here you will get as like 6 plus 12, and which gives us 18. So LHS equals to RHS. So next you see one more example here. Minus 2 into x plus 3 equals to 8. So this how you will do. So here minus 2 is there. So with the minus 2 you have to divide on both the sides, so that you can remove these brackets. So minus 2, when you divide minus 2 will get cancelled. So x plus 3 equals to minus 8 by 2. So or else x plus 3 equals to 2 ones are 2 4s. So you will get as minus 4. So that means x equals to minus 4, and this plus 3, if it comes this side, then it will become minus 3. So x equals to minus 4 plus minus 3, and x equals to minus 7. So when this x value, if you substitute in this, then you will get LHS equals to RHS. So that means minus 2 into minus 7 plus 3 equals to 8. So that means minus 2 into minus 7, you will get minus 14 plus 2 3s are 6 equals to 8. So then 7 minus 7 equals to minus 7. Then you will get LHS equals to RHS. Next one more. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. So find the number they have given. So what they have given means, here they have given in the statement form. So for this first thing you have to write as equation, then you should find the variable. See here, the sum of 3 times a number. So 3 times a number, this you can take as 3x, and sum means plus 11. So 3x plus 11 equals to 32. So see here the solution. If the unknown number is taken to be x, then 3 times the number is 3x, and the sum of 3x and 11 is 32. So that means 3x plus 11 equals to 32. So to solve this equation, what you have to do? So you have to transpose this 11 to the right side. So what you should do, 3x equals to 32, and this plus 11, if it comes this side, minus 11 it will become. So 3x equals to 32 minus 11, or else 3x equals to 32 minus 11 gives us 21. So whereas x value you will get as 21 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 7s are. So x equals to 7. So they have asked you to find the number only. So we can find the value like this, x equals to 7. Next here, one more example they have given. Find the number such that 1/3 of a number. So what they have given here, 1/4 of a number. So this you have to take as unknown number by, and 1/4 of y means this y by 4. And this number is y by 4 more than 7 by 3. So what you will get, more than 7 by 3 means, more than means it is minus, y by 4 minus 7 equals to 3. You will get the equation. And what you have to do, so you have to transport this 7 to get RHS. That means y by 4 equals to 3, and this minus 7, if it comes this side, plus 7 it will become. Y by 4 equals to 3 plus 7. So y by 4 equals to 7 plus 3 equals to 10. And when you multiply both the sides, the equation by 4, 5 by 4 into 4 equals to 10 into 4. So here 4 will get cancelled. So then y equals to 10 into 40, you will get as 40. So y value is 40. And this y value you can represent in this equation. So here y by 4 minus 7 equals to 3. So here what you will get? 40 by 4 minus 7. So that means 4 ones are 4 tens are. So you will get 10 minus 7, 3. So here LHS 3 you got and RHS also 3. So LHS equals to RHS. Next here you see they have given like in one sum. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's age is his father's 44 years old. So here you have to find the equation and then you should find the variable value. So as given example 3 earlier only, so this example we have seen, and what they have given there we got the equation as 3y plus 5 equals to 44. And to solve this here what you have to do, 3y equals to and 44 and this plus 5 if it comes this side minus 5 it will become. So 3y equals to 44 minus 5. So 3y equals to 44 minus 5 it gives us 39. So y equals to 39 by 13. So 13 ones are 13 threes are, so you will get as y equals to 13. So Raju's age is how much? 13 years. So you can check in that example 3 I have explained just before that also. So in this way you will write. So totally we have learned in this chapter for the statements. So how we have to write the equations, and for the equations how you have can write the statements, and how you can prove LHS and RHS, how you can verify all those things we have learned in this chapter. I hope you understood. Thank you.